For making microwave pasta noodles, these are the ingredients required: butter, chili sauce, tomato sauce, soy sauce, salt and pepper, right? And then we'll be needing some vegetables like cabbage, carrot, garlic. 1 green chili is enough, and onion. So I've chopped these. These are the, with this cup, 2 cups warm water I have taken. I'm melting the butter. Salt, soy sauce, tomato sauce. See, the butter is melting. I'll add this. I'll microwave it for 2 minutes first. After 2 minutes, I mixed it. Mixing is very important. Otherwise, this may become sticky. 2 minutes. Chili sauce. To mix water because it's finished almost. Garlic powder. Ajinomoto. Green onion. This is almost done. This time for 3 minutes. Is perfect, as good as wok made. I'm sure you'll like it.